In this video, we're going to show you how to create a date and time program using your Patmark Windows-based software. First, we're going to select a field and then click the calendar button. First, let's go through our calendar setting options. For year, we have a 4-digit, 2-digit, single digit. For month, 2-digit and a single digit. For date, 2-digit, single digit, and also Julian date settings. And for time, hour, minute, seconds. Then we also have shift as another option. For this example, we're going to go with month, and we're going to put a backslash, then a date, backslash, and then a 2-digit year. Once we have everything finalized, we want to verify that our date is our current running date and time on your computer and Patmark unit. Now we can go on to our location. For our Y, we want it at 4 millimeters, our X at a 3, and height we're going to change to 3.5 millimeter tall characters. Our pitch we're going to change to 3.5, and our width we're going to leave at 60%. Our force is going to be at a 3, and our quality we're going to leave at a 5. Now we can go on to the time section. We're going to add another text field and then click the calendar settings. For this, we're going to choose hours, then put a colon, add minutes, click done. Then we want to verify that the time matches, and now we can go on to location. For our Y, we're going to change to 12.5, our X to a 3, and our height we're going to change to 3.5 to match the field above. Pitch, we're going to change to 3.5. And our width, we're going to leave at 60%. Our force, we're going to change that to a 3. And quality, we're going to leave at a 5. Once everything is verified, we can now go on to the marking process. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.